Hey there! Want to sound more natural and confident in English? In this video, you'll learn 10 super useful words for daily life, with meanings, examples, and practice questions to help you speak like a pro. Let's get started. Okay, first word is focus. Focus. It means to give your full attention to something. For example, I need to focus on my studies. You can also say, I need to focus. I need to focus. Or just remind yourself, stay focused. Stay focused. Now, try this. Can you focus on your work now? Yes, I can focus and finish it today. Routine. Routine. That means your regular schedule or habit. For example, my evening routine includes reading. You can also say, I follow a healthy routine. I follow a healthy routine. Or, I stick to my routine. I stick to my routine. Here's a question. What's your morning routine like? I usually drink coffee and go for a walk. Next word is delay. Delay. That means something is late or postponed. For example, there was a delay in the meeting. You might say, sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Or, the train was delayed. The train was delayed. Try this. Was there any delay in your flight? Yes, it was delayed by 30 minutes. Now we have manage. Manage. To manage means to handle or control something well. For example, I manage my time better now. You could also say, I manage my tasks well. I manage my tasks well. Or, I can manage both easily. I can manage both easily. Let's practice. Can you manage your work and studies? Yes, I manage both by planning my day. Next word is habit. Habit. A habit is something you do regularly. Example, drinking water early is a good habit. You might say, I'm building better habits. I'm building better habits. Or, that's a bad habit. That's a bad habit. Here's a question. Do you have any healthy habits? Yes, I exercise every morning. Let's move on to attend. Attend. To attend means to be present at something, like a class or event. For example, I attended the online class yesterday. You can say, I attend meetings on time. I attend meetings on time. Or, I attend school every day. I attend school every day. Encouraging. Try this one. Did you attend the meeting yesterday? Yes, I attended and took notes. Next up is decide. Decide. That means to make a choice. For example, he decided to learn English. You can also say, I decided to practice every day. I decided to practice every day. Or, she decided not to go. She decided not to go. Practice with this. Question. Have you decided what to eat for lunch? Yes, I decided to have a salad. Now let's look at try. Try. To try means to make an effort. Example. Try to stay calm during exams. You might say, I try my best. Repeating, I try my best. Or, I'll try again tomorrow. I'll try again tomorrow. Let's answer this. Question. Will you try the new exercise routine? Yes, I will try it starting tomorrow. Here's another one. Improve. Improve. Improve means to get better at something. For example, her English is improving fast. You could say, I want to improve my speaking. Repeating, I want to improve my speaking. Or, my reading has improved. My reading has improved. How can you improve your English skills? By practicing every day and listening more. And last one, practice. Practice. Practice means doing something again and again to get better. Example, you need to practice English daily. You can also say, I practice English every day. I practice English every day. Or, practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Try it yourself. Question. Do you practice speaking English often? Answer. Yes, I practice with my friends regularly. Quick recap. Today you learned 10 easy and powerful words. Focus, routine, delay, manage, habit, attend, decide, try, improve, practice. Nice job! Now it's your turn. Choose any 3 words and write your own sentences in the comments below. Like the video if you learned something. Subscribe for more easy English tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.